Hi, this is Wowgirl. If you're bored of your lawn mount, consider the Frostwolf Howler. The Frostwolf Howler is an epic line mount that can be purchased with Alterac Valley PvP rewards. To find the vendor who sells it, travel north from the horde town of Terran Mills, following a subtle path that emerges and guides you into the east side of the Alterac Mountains. The vendor itself can be found in the Alterac Mountains zone at 6259. Initially, this mount looks easy to obtain. However, closer inspection will show that it takes a lot of PvP grinding in Alterac Valley. The minimum requirements a player needs to reach in order to buy a Frostwolf Howler are as follows. Level 60 or higher, riding 150 or higher, exalted with the Frostwolf clan, which is the Alterac Valley rep, and 50 Alterac Valley Marks of Honor. Once you've got it, be sure to show it off. Ride with the cool kids in the battlegrounds. Park on top of the Orgrimmar Bank. Take a flying leap off of Thunder Bluff.